Have you ever thought that simply adding more vegetables to your diet was enough for better health? The truth is, how you cook your vegetables can make or break their nutritional value. Just because you're eating plenty of veggies doesn't mean you're getting all the benefits they offer. In fact, certain cooking methods could be robbing you of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Welcome back to My Health FitLink. In today's video, we'll dive into the most common mistakes people make when cooking vegetables. From a young age, we've been encouraged to eat more fruits and vegetables for overall health. Despite these recommendations, many adults fall short of the suggested daily servings. The way we prepare vegetables impacts their flavor, texture, and most importantly, their nutritional benefits. Some nutrients are enhanced through cooking, while others can be diminished, depending on the method used. To clear up any confusion, let's explore the best ways to prepare some of our favorite vegetables. Carrots. Carrots are beloved for their sweet crunch and nutritional density. Packed with fiber, vitamin K, and beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, carrots offer a range of health benefits. Cooking carrots actually enhances the absorption of beta-carotene, making it easier for the body to convert it into vitamin A. Research shows that cooking carrots with their peels on can triple the antioxidant content, further boosting their nutritional value. Opt for gentle methods like braising or steaming to retain their nutrients without overcooking. Spinach. As one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens, spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants. Whether eaten raw in salads or cooked, spinach provides ample doses of vitamin K, A, C, and folate. To preserve its delicate nutrients, consider lightly steaming spinach. This method minimizes nutrient loss while enhancing the bioavailability of antioxidants like lutein, crucial for eye health. Incorporating raw spinach into smoothies ensures you're getting maximum nutrient retention for a refreshing boost. Mushrooms. Cooking mushrooms is a delicate balance between preserving nutrients and achieving desirable texture. Mushrooms are rich in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, but their nutrient content can diminish with improper cooking methods. Grilling or microwaving mushrooms is optimal as it retains more nutrients compared to boiling or frying, which can lead to nutrient loss. Sautéing mushrooms with a touch of olive oil and seasoning ensures a flavorful dish while maintaining their nutritional integrity. Tomatoes. Though technically a fruit, tomatoes are commonly treated as vegetables in culinary contexts. Rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to numerous health benefits, tomatoes actually become more nutritious when cooked. Heating tomatoes helps break down their cellular structure, enhancing the body's absorption of lycopene by up to 35%. Whether in soups, sauces, or salads, cooking tomatoes with a bit of oil boosts lycopene absorption, making them a deliciously healthy choice. Asparagus. Asparagus offers a delicate flavor and a wealth of nutrients, including antioxidants and vitamins. While raw asparagus can be enjoyed in salads for a crunchy texture, cooking enhances its antioxidant content. Steaming, sautéing, or roasting asparagus preserves its nutrients, ensuring maximum health benefits. Avoid boiling, as it can leach out water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C. Lightly blanching asparagus before incorporating it into recipes maintains its vibrant color and nutritional potency. Bell peppers. Colorful bell peppers are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a nutritional powerhouse. High in vitamin C and carotenoids, bell peppers offer immune-boosting benefits. Cooking bell peppers helps break down their tough cellular structure, enhancing the absorption of carotenoids. Sautéing or roasting bell peppers with a dash of oil preserves their nutrients, making them more bioavailable. Enjoy them in stir-fries, salads, or stuffed dishes to reap their full nutritional benefits. Broccoli and cauliflower. Broccoli and cauliflower belong to the cruciferous family, known for their cancer-fighting compounds. These vegetables are rich in fiber, folate, and glucosinolates, which convert to health-promoting indoles and isothiocyanates when chewed. To retain their cancer-fighting properties, lightly steam broccoli and cauliflower. Steaming these vegetables ensures optimal nutrient retention without compromising their texture or taste. Avoid overcooking to preserve their beneficial enzymes and nutrients. Potatoes. Potatoes come in various types, each with unique nutritional profiles. Whether starchy, waxy, or all-purpose, cooking potatoes with their skins intact preserves their fiber and potassium content. Steaming or baking potatoes retains more nutrients compared to boiling, which can lead to nutrient loss in the cooking water. For healthier options, opt for recipes that minimize added fats and oils, ensuring you enjoy potatoes' natural goodness without excessive calories. Onions. Onions are culinary staples rich in sulfur compounds, quercetin, and pyruvate, nutrients known for their health benefits. While cooking onions can reduce some nutrients, such as vitamin C, lightly sautéing or caramelizing onions enhances their flavor and digestibility. Longer cooking times diminish nutrient content, so aim for light cooking to retain their beneficial compounds. Incorporate onions into soups, stews, or stir-fries for both flavor enhancement and nutritional value. Corn fresh. Corn is a summer favorite packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. To preserve its nutrients, opt for grilling or microwaving corn in its husks. Avoid boiling, which can lead to nutrient loss in the cooking water. Canned or frozen corn is convenient and retains much of its nutritional value, including B vitamins and fiber. Use canned corn in salads or stir-fries to minimize cooking time and maximize nutrient retention for a healthy meal option. Green beans. Green beans are legumes rich in antioxidants and isoflavones, which promote health and prevent disease. While some nutrient loss occurs during cooking, especially water-soluble vitamins like C and folate, steaming or sautéing green beans preserves their antioxidants. Roasting green beans enhances their natural sugars, creating a deliciously nutty flavor while retaining their nutritional potency. Incorporate fresh green beans into your diet for a colorful and nutritious addition to meals. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are hydrating vegetables rich in antioxidants, potassium, and vitamin K. Consuming cucumbers with their peels intact maximizes their nutritional value, as many nutrients are found in the peel. While cucumbers are often enjoyed raw in salads or pickled, baking or roasting them offers a unique twist. Baked cucumbers seasoned with herbs and spices provide a crunchy, nutritious side dish. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are cruciferous vegetables packed with nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Cooking Brussels sprouts enhances their digestibility and nutrient absorption. Roasting Brussels sprouts with a hint of oil and seasoning caramelizes their natural sugars, creating a savory side dish. Avoid overcooking to retain their beneficial enzymes and health-promoting compounds. Kale. Kale, often celebrated as a superfood, is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like quercetin and caempherol. While kale can be consumed raw in salads or smoothies, cooking it can enhance its nutrient absorption and make it easier to digest. Steaming kale is one of the best methods to retain its vitamins and antioxidants. This gentle cooking method softens the tough leaves without leaching out the water-soluble nutrients. Avoid boiling kale, as this can result in significant nutrient loss. Eggplant. Eggplant, known for its rich texture and deep purple hue, is packed with fiber, vitamins B1 and B6, and antioxidants like niacin. The best methods to cook eggplant while retaining its nutrients include grilling, baking, and steaming. Properly preparing vegetables is crucial for maximizing their health benefits. By choosing the right cooking methods such as steaming, sautéing, and roasting, you can preserve and even enhance the nutrient content of your favorite vegetables. Understanding the best practices for cooking different vegetables ensures you get the most out of their vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.